our program na here on my birthday. Birthday ni Tito Atoy, Kuya Atoy, Mama Atoy. At graduation ni Ella. Linda, naging Ella. Congratulations, ha? Tapos, meron tayong advance happy birthday din siyempre sa ating panganay. Ang panganay, akala ko ang panganay yung Kuya Ray. Kaya advance happy birthday sa Kuya Ray. September 25. 25. Akala nyo nakalimutan ko, 25 yung birthday niya. So, Ate Lilia, dahil kailangan natin ng konting seremonya para cake blowing.
Chloe, hindi ba na kuya birthday?
Hindi, ikaw ang ating host, ang MC.
Hello! Good evening, Melgarejo Clan. Ito na naman tayo. Ang saya-saya talaga. Yes, this is the continuation of Boracay, and we're so blessed and happy to have the Percy family led by Kuya Ray. We are so grateful that Jay and Jenny would like to apologize for the extreme heat that causes you allergy. But we love you so much that you can bear with us. So, you're still beautiful with that skin. And now this is just a prelude. We're going to have a very big grand celebration. The wedding of our most favorite nephew, Nicholas. Where's Nicholas? Oh, he's not around. Paula, wow, the bride and groom are missing. What are they doing? I want to buy. But first, let's celebrate the birthday of the most handsome second brother that I have. We really love him so much because he's a very serious guy. What is the characteristic of an accountant?
Hindi yan, si Pato.
Serious, exact, sarcastic, and I'm afraid to make comments because I will always get the negative answer. I love you, Kuya Ray, and whoever wants to say something for me. Yeah, Kuya Beto. I love you, Kuya Ray.
We're here for Ray, and we are so again blessed, and we would like to thank Jesus up in heaven. You know, really, I was surprised to see this guy looking so great, so healthy. It is as if nothing had happened at all. So by the grace of God, we are still intact, and you know, that's not a real easy thing to do. Right? So Ray, just you're welcome. I mean, you know, this is your moment. If you want to kick the ass of Hernan, please do so anytime. You'll just be too happy to leave us behind. And now maybe I should really ask you if you have this regimen of, you know, getting back to 100% health, and you need to do that. You need to sacrifice things, diba? I mean, you know, we still need you to be with us for a long time. That is right, guys, diba? Tama. Gusto natin siyang makasama ng matagal. See? Diba? Escaleta. No? So, now I give the floor. Who should I give? To Marlon. Yeah. Say something about your Kuya Ray.
Yeah, Kuya Ray muna. Thank you, Kuya Ray, dahil naiyak ako. Thank you, Kuya Ray, sa matulong. Yung lahat ng tulong. Ate, ko na. Kuya Ray, ano yan eh. Siya yung pinakamatigas. Kaya itong cake niya, dinisign namin. Ito, ang nakalagay ay si Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger. He's a bad guy. Di ba? Kapag matigas. Kaya lang, ang nakalagay ata dyan, the exterminator ng pest control. Kaya, ang Kuya Ray, ano yan, nagahit yan eh, siyempre. Nakakala ko, nung ako yung bata, ang panganay, ang Kuya Ray. Alam ko lahat kami. Kasi parang ito yung mas strict, mas siya, parang protective. Ang kuya kasi parating na sa party. Kaya Joey. Yan eh. Side daw. Kasi matangkad, parang yun ang kuya. Parang gano'n. So, ang Kuya Ray, basta ako naman dyan humingi, Kuya Ray, pengin pera. Gano'n sabi ko. Directly, pengin pera. Sabi niya hindi naman sumasagot. Maya-maya mag-message na yan. Kaya nagpasa na ako sa'yo, gano'n. Oh, why? Paano ka nagka-pera? Where did you get the money? Sabi ko gano'n. Sabi niya, siyempre, saan pa? Sa casino. Sabi niya casino, oh, you won? No. You won, not me. Kaya ako nanalo. Binigay niya yung premium niya sa akin eh. Kaya ako raw nanalo. Kaya ganon. Ito naman hindi lang isang beses eh. Pag maano ko sa kanya, umihiling, binibigay niya kahit alam ko. Sabi nga, where's Nikki? Sabi niya, si Daddy, sabi niya, si Papa, sabi niya. Minsan, sasabihin niya ni Nikki. Sabihin ng Daddy ko, ni Daddy Ray, oh, Nikki, you owe me $10. Parang gano'n. Kumbaga, yung money talagang importante lalo sa US, maraming gastusin. Pero dahil siguro kahit pa paano, love na din ako, gano'n. Binibigyan niya ako ng pera pag kailangan ko. Kaya I thank him talaga na nandyan siya palagi. Sa ito pa, sa COVID time. No COVID time, sabi niya magpabaksin ako. Ayaw ako. Sabi niya, ibablock kita. Ibablock kita. Pagka nagpabaksin ka na, saka tayo mag-usap, ha? Sabi niya gano'n. So, ang alam ko naman, maganda yung intention niya. Gusto niya akong mabuhay pa din. Pero, Kuya Ray, nandito pa naman ako. Tapos yung operation ko, di ba? Okay na buhay, tinulungan din ako niya. Plan, iba-ibang ways para nakatulong. Tulad ni Atoy, Kuya Atoy. Parang moral support.
Kwento.
Nag-message naman siya, okay ka na? Yan, Ate Edith, yan sila. Itong family na to, sabi ko, ang tatalino, Jay, Latina, yung mga anak niya. Parang sabi ko, iba to eh. Ano ba to? Nagmanang sa Melgareo sa Cruz. Diba? Marami namang Melgareo dito, butuanan lang ha. Kaya nga, hindi, combine. Kaya mas mahirap talunin itong Cruz Melgareo na to. Kaya nga ito yung family na, siyempre, hindi naman sa pag-ano, buo, di ba? Hindi ko alam sa Kuya Ray kung... Teka. Okay.
Kuya Ray is so blessed to have Edith as his wife because may kara na cruise pa.
Yes, so. Kaya nga, hinaba ko na rin yung aking greetings at saka mga message. Kasi alam ko may yung iba eh. Kaya subscribe ha. Subscribe.
Huh?
Okay, next. Sino next? I love you, Kuya Ray ha. Love you. Next. Teka na, wala na sa Kuya Ray. Kasi magsalita. Joy. Atoy. Paano? Ate Edith. Atoy daw. Ano lang, patay mo nila yung record. There, muna. Ito, lapit ako sa Hello. May lahat naman gano'n.
Ako, tutugtungan ko na yung sinabi ni Carlo. Totoo yun, moral support.
Ano ka ba?
Hindi, totoo yun kasi wala naman akong financial, di ba? Ako talaga yung bibigay sa kanya ng moral support. Alam niyo, sabi ko sa kanya, Lord, huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi ka pa mamamatay, tanga. Can I have my interpreter?
Dahil from...
Hindi, medyo offended ako. Kasi lahat ng gusto ko sabihin, sinabi ng kuya. Kaya wala na ako magsasabi. Kung ano man ang sinabi ng kuya, yun na rin, kuya Ray. Di ba? Your greetings are good, but I need cut. Anyway. Happy birthday, Kuya Ray!
Oh, yung ano, kung sino pa gusto mong ano. Last call. Last call kung sino pa. Joy. Pero, last call JM, kung sino. Joy! Yaya, si Joy. Yan na, ikaw. Hindi, okay, si ano na. Kuya Atoy naman. Kuya Atoy naman. Birthday ni Kuya Atoy, August 7. Kaya, 7 ba? 3 pala. Hindi natin makakalimutan ng birthday niya, August 3. Okay, ito, celebration din kay Kuya Atoy, advance sa Kuya Ray. Kasi, okay. Okay. So, sige, last year. Last year pala yun. Sino? Joy? Ano, hindi, sino magsasalita? Ako muna kay Kuya Atoy. Si Kuya Atoy, kahit ganyan yan talaga. Ganyan talaga yan. Guys, Kuya Atoy, pareho sila yung ginawa din nating cake, si Rambo, ano nakalagay? Rambo. Parating nakahubad yun eh. Akala mo, macho eh, di ba? Pero medyo malaki dyan, yun ang ginawa nilang Rambo. Pero, ano yan eh, like Kuya Ray, Kuya Atoy, mga protected yan sa family. Pagka yung may away, yan ang nakasahan namin palagi, ang dalawa. Ito, maano ko lang Kuya Ray, na may nakano yata yun, ate din, nag-girlfriend ko lang sila sa bus o something. Nagka-asara, parang luupa ka na ng Kuya Ray. Sete, inaawat lang, yung astig yan eh. Kaya Atoy naman, ay tawa naman, sa tattoo pa lang. Diba? Mababagka ko naman po yung napaaway sa bakula. Hindi, sa Pierre, kinakat siya yung game. Dinimanda naman natin, Kuya Atoy. Diba? Pero, Kuya Atoy, ano din yan? Pag tinawag ko din yan. Andun siya, lalo-lalo na pag-away. Andun siya. Kaya, I love you, brother. Ate Lilia, kaya Atoy, may ito sabihin ka? Kapag ka ang utang mo, puro ganun.
Si Ate yung Dolphy ng pamilya natin. Yun. Nandiyan. Ano siya? Great lover because he's a driver.
Yeah!
Retired playboy. So, happy birthday! Umiinit na ang panahon. Let's go to the next celebrant.
Okay, the next. Sabi na Kuya kaya
Atoy, if you nakalimutan nyo na, all of you had forgotten, unfortunately. Atoy was missing for a long time. Hindi nyo na naaalala yun? Si Atoy, 7 years ba yun? He has been, incommunicado from us. We never knew where he was. Oh yeah, desaparecido. So, yeah. So, lahat kami nagtataka, asan siya? Tapos, Marlon, mas alam mo istorya eh. Na-hold up si Atoy. He drove a taxi for a living. So there was a nighttime ride na na-hold up siya. He got held up. The robbers got everything from him, including his clothes. But the robbers were so generous, they left him with his underwear. Brief. Yeah, he was only wearing his brief. Nakabrief lang siya. Gabi yun. So, ang nangyari, he wandered around, nagnakaw yata ng nakasampay na damit babae. He wore a woman's clothes. And then he went to the police in Cavite. It just so happened, again by the grace of God, praise Jesus Christ, would you believe the chief of police over there in Cavite, which place was this in Cavite? Dasmariñas. The chief of police over there in Dasmariñas, where he went because he needed help. Okay, he was, he needed help. It's just so happened that the chief of police, the boss over there, goes by the last name of Bulalakaw. And you know what? That happens to be the brother of the wife of our cousin in Batangas, Felix. So that guy phoned Batangas, Sampaga, and the Batangas people phoned us back. So we realized that, he's still alive. How come nobody got rid of him? So that's his story. He's a survivor. He's really a kick-ass Rambo. The brief. So we are lucky. God has been kind to us. Okay, Atoy, would you like to show your brief? I mean, talk about it. Okay. All right. Happy belated birthday.
Kuya said that I was missing for 7 years. This is the first time that I will reveal the reason, the true reason why. It may be very painful, but today is my birthday, so I will reveal it. The true reason why I'm missing for 7 years. It's because the doctors won't let me out. Yeah. National mental health. And they won't let me straight jacket.
He sounded so convincing. Our married gentlemen, their wives might have second thoughts from here on forward because of that guy. Anyway, Lilia.
The next is...
Okay, ito pa, short lang. Para sa ating lahat, nung nasa Boracay tayo, sabi nga ng Kuya Ren, nagkikwentuhan kami, yung prayers daw, may power talaga eh. Observation niya lang din talaga.
Sabi ni Ren?
Yes. Sabi niya.
Our Ren.
Something may power siya eh. Ako, yun din ang experience ko. Kaya ang gawin natin sa ating mga loved ones, sa clan, kung ano man financial health o kung ano man. Pag-pray natin yan, may power yun. I think may power eh. Kasi nangyayari like Richie, di ba? Okay naman siya. Okay na siya. Hindi lang kaya ng prayers. Yung sabi niya ni Kuya Toy, ligtas na kami, di ba? Ganun. Hindi pwede. Kailangan ito humingi ng ito makipag-usap. Hindi pwedeng kami. Okay, ang isa namang episode na celebrate Trantor Tres. Ay si Ella, siya ay graduate from Rachel. Rachel. With flying colors ba? Oh, the colors blue. Paano ba? With flying colors. Dito si Ella, pag minsan pag may mga contest, contest, kung ano, i-import ko siya, magaling ito eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung sino mas magaling, si MM ba o ito. Ito parang sa kanya, unorthodox. MM naman, parang southpaw. Ganun. Di ba? So, si Ella, siya mabait na bata at matalino. What do you expect, di ba? Para kamag-anak na ata natin yan. So, Ate Ella, baka may kung sabihin si Ella. Sa kayong daddy, mami. Ganun.
Congratulations, Ella, and to the proud parents. Joy and Winnie, hats off to you. Talagang very supportive parents kayo. Pero nagmana siya sa akin, so sorry. So ngayon, we will ask the celebrants to blow the cake.
Wow!
Sabay-sabay na lang.
Light the candle. Blow the candle. Not the blow job, but blow the candle.
Cut. Ay, ano, tapos puntay mo sila dito.
Oh, music.
Punta daw dito lahat ng...
MJ.
Ito Atoy,
Ay,
Ella.
MJ. Ano si MJ?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. MM. Ano, assist. Happy birthday. Wala. Ay, ganun na lang pala daw. Ganun, no? Wag na lang blow. So, this is from Norway group. Gratulerer med dagen. Gratulerer med dagen. Gratulerer, kjære Atoy. Gratulerer med dagen. Thank you guys. Enjoy the night.
Thank you. Wow!
Thank you. Yes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, party na. Jamming na. Live na.
Picture sila, di ba?
Pwede ba? Picture. Kuya Ray, picture na lang kayo. Okay.
Isang cake. Isang cake. Hindi, isa. Dito rin.
Hold the cake. Ay, Mari, pakibot mo yung cake. Yes. Picture dyan na. Meron na yun. Wow. Closer. Para sa ating picture.
1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Isa pa.
Yung relatives, magpunta ka sa likod, ha? Yung table 1, please.
1. Okay, tingin po. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Yan muna kayo.
Sabi daw. Tama ka ba?
Oo, sama
1, 2, 3, smile. Tingin. 1, 2, 3, smile. Tingin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Birthday.
That's it. Wait. Last out, Joy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Kayo na. Sige na, meron naman dito eh. Okay. O, sama ka na doon. Pero hindi, nandun na, meron na ako eh. Yo, pictures and video. Then, Ayan. Erwin. Oy, Ping Lacson. Yan, din. Si Lola, kayo, Lola. Sama ka na. Ikaw, Marie, sumama ka na doon. Marie, dali na. Ako na bahala dito. Okay. Yes, oh, yes. Thank you.